Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market update for the week of June 19, 2021. As I mentioned on Thursday video, we headed to a triple witching day on Friday, which create a lot of volatile for the stock market. They forced all the indices to the downside correction. So the question is, the market is going to go down from here after more than a year going straight up, or yet another correction and then we will go higher? And where is the level of support in the downside if they continue to go down? So in order to answer the question, I'm going to go to the chart so that we can see and take a look and prepare the trade for next week. Okay, so let's start it, and we can see here. So first of all, let's take a look on the E-mini SB 500 index. So you can see that the overall the market is still in the uptrend at this moment. So we have a strong support at this level. So in the short term, definitely the market is going to have some correction here. So next week, let's see the market be able to hold up to the long-term support line here. If they cannot hold on to it, then definitely they will have a little bit more room to go to the downside. So this is the level of support around 4109 to 4127 here. So let's see the market be able to hold on. As long as they don't drop below this level here, the market is still continue to move up to the upside. As long as the Fed is still pump the money to the market is, still have a room to go higher. And let's take a look on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also hit to the all-time high here, so they pull back on Friday. So next week we really want to see that the Nasdaq be able to get up about this level. If they can hold up about this level, they will continue to go higher. And this is the one that still strong right now compared to all of the other indices. And if they drop below the support line here, and we're looking for the support in this area here. And if you look at the Dow Jones, it already corrected after they failed to make it all higher high here. So they continue to put it back down. So this is the level of support the Dow will get in there. And the Russell 2000, it also failed to make it all-time high here. So they pull back. So this is a strong level of support. They should be, we're looking for some kind of support here before they can rebound. Okay. So overall trend is still bullish, but in the short term, we will have a correction here. So definitely you have to be careful on the upside. And then I'm going to go to detail of the sector, and then we can looking for the stock that they're looking for the level of support, and some of them are still going up. So we will take a look on those stocks also. And if you look at the volatility index, you can see it on Friday. It have a strong move back up on the volatility index. That called the market is going down. So right now they still have some little room here to put it back up to hit the resistance up to the 22 level here. So if they can stop here and pull back down, then the market it will revert. If they break above here, then there will be more correction for the market. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it also coming down. Okay, so they cannot go back up. They push it back up, but now they're going down. So this one will help a lot of technology stock to move higher. And if you look at the US dollar, it also gained some momentum, and then it put it back up right now. So 30-year Treasury bond, it continue to put it up. So this one here, it will cause a problem for the bank because they borrow the cheap money from the bond, okay, the low interest rate, and lend it down to make money. But if it want to go up, so the bank has to have more trouble to come. All right, and now let's take a look on the crude oil. The crude oil, technically it's still an uptrend. They have to hang tight and then continue to put it up. Okay, even the price kind of extended, but it's still in the bullish trend right now. And gold, it also hammered after the Fed came out and if the dollar strengthens and the gold, they can they have a big drop here. So this is the level of support for gold. They need to hold here in order to continue to go up and put it up to the upside. Okay, and if you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is still continue to going down. So when they put it up a couple of days and people jump in too fast, like I said on many videos before, people jump in too fast and then they hit to the resistance, they pull back down. So now they have a support here. Let's see what they're going to do here, but overall trend is still bearish, so it will take a while for Bitcoin to be able to build a base and turn around, and then we will analyze it and we will let you know. Ethereum is also in the correction, as you can see here. They continue to put it lower after they break out this line I showed you last week, and then they continue to put it down. Okay, and if you look at the let me see here, and the multi-1L, if you look at the QQQ, which is technology stock, they are trying to break through this level here. We can push it up, and the technology stock still have room to move to the upside. Okay, now as you can see that the trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. If you don't know technical analysis, and then you should not trade. That's why as Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management, so that you can trade with high probability of winning. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every single day until you are successful, and you can interact with our instructor and member 24 hours a day to our private Discord channel. This is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. This is the time for you to invest in education so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. I will continue to update during the middle of the week, so make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can notify you on the new update. Now let's go deep into the sector to looking for the stock to trade. The technology and healthcare sector still remain some of the most positive, more liquid and profitable stock trade available for now. So we will focus on two sectors for this week. First of all, let's go with some sector that they have some problem right now. So first of all, the semiconductor, they 3 times they test the all-time high here. They could go higher. So in the short term, the semiconductor, they will be in the correction. So you have to be watch out for a lot of stock like Nvidia, Lam Research, Applied Materials. So they have been in the correction. So watch out for that. And the financial sector is also in trouble. Okay, as you can see here, after they break a upper support line and then they continue to put it down. That's why you see a lot of bank stock, they have been correction heavily. Okay, but a lot of stock there definitely they on the way down. They will give you another good chance for you to get back in after they stabilize. Okay, a lot of strong stock like Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JB Morgan. So those guys, they are in correction right now. So that's good though, because the market cannot go up forever. So when they are corrected, they give you a good opportunity to buy with a cheaper price. All right. And another sector that we have to take a look at the XLI, which is the industrial steel, have been correct. That's why you see a lot of stock like Caterpillar, John Deere, FedEx, they all drop right now. But Home Depot, for example, but the good thing is they're coming down. Okay, they will find a support and will give you a much better price for you to go in and push it up to the upside again. Okay, so a lot of stocks like this, you need to watch out. Okay, they are in a good correction right now. Okay, and the strong sector that we should focus for this week, that the technology sector. Technology is still hang tight to the upside. As you can see here, the overall trend is still bullish. If they can clear this congested resistance here, definitely we have more room for the technology. So it depends on next week. If they break below trend line here, we see some correction. But if they continue to put it higher, definitely it's more bullish for the technology stocks, especially the software sector. So if you look at a couple of stocks in this sector, still very strong. As you can see here, they are doing very well. The stock that we mentioned earlier, they are still continue to put it to the upside. Snap, okay, if they can clear this resistance here, it will be more bullish in the future. And some of the stocks like Zillow, okay, they bottom out and looking for the way to put it back up. Stocks like DocuSign is still extremely strong and high demand. They break out at the high here and continue to put it up to the upside. So you see that a lot of technology, software related stocks are still very strong. So you should focus on those stocks, okay? And another sector that we should pay attention, which is the healthcare sector. So the healthcare sector, it's bullish, but right now they are get stuck on the all-time high here. So they need to clear this resistance to continue to put it higher. So the strong level of support to hold them up here. But you see a lot of stock in this sector have been doing well for the last couple of weeks here, and then they will up and down, but they will continue to put it to the upside, like Merck and Company, GN, okay, so those stocks are still try to find a way to put it back up there, and BMY, okay, all right, so this stock they have problem to go through here, they pull back, but they try to clear this resistance here, and let me see here, no, not this one, okay, this is ARKG, if you like the ETF, okay, so this is one of the ETF, but they be able to find a support workout and find a way to put it to the upside, okay, so two sectors that we should focus, that the technology and healthcare, okay, some of the stock there are still very strong. So besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where I will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching and good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week, and take care everyone.